Howdy, Droogs. How you doing? On my back deck, or should I say, I'm out on my back deck. For those of you who can hear me, I will try to speak a little louder for you. I'm smoking some rum flake. I don't know what to do about the sound, guys. My camera does what it does. I'm really sorry, but anyway. Um, Smoking some rum flake by Gwaith and Hogarth. Comes in a little green tin, rum flake. And this is my second time smoking, and I smoked the first time a month or two ago when I first got this in. It rubbed out nice. It has kind of a nice tin smell. Uh, this time I had a bunch of rubbed out already, and I just put it in the pipe and pack it down fairly loosely, fairly light pack, which worked real well. It's burning very well, and it's burning well, and it's smoking well, and all that kind of good stuff. The problem is it doesn't taste good, not to me anyway. And I hate to give negative reviews on things, and this isn't really a review, I guess. I've smoked it twice, but I don't think I'll be smoking it again. So I'm going to say what I'm going to say now because I don't think I'll be trying it again. Not only do I not like the taste of it, it has a very floral smell to it, which I don't know if that's Lakeland floral. I've heard that term Lakeland floral being used. I think it probably is. I don't know. Dubbing the dam, you'll know. Uh, in the nose, it has a real floral kind of feel to it. Very floral, kind of a smell to it, almost like an artificial smell. But in the mouth, is a whole different flavor altogether, which is I don't find pleasant at all, and it doesn't taste good. And it leaves kind of an aftertaste in my mouth too, out of an ashy, icky aftertaste. Um, and It's nice. Not out here tonight. It's about 8 o'clock. It's sun's about gone down. It's nice. It's cool. It's warm enough to smoke, and perfect night for a smoke. Except I've got a smoke I'm not enjoying. And I think what I'm going to do is dump this out and probably never smoke it again. And that doesn't mean you shouldn't try it. As goes my sinuses again, but it just is not my cup of tea. You know, could be good for you. I kind of like rum flavored tobaccos. Occasionally they're kind of good, but this it has a whole different flavor in the mouth than it does, through the nose, and it leaves a real kind of a nasty aftertaste in my mouth. So I basically worked my way through the last bowl of this stuff, in my room when I smoked it the last time. I just worked my way through it and smoked it all. But this time I don't think I'm going to, because life is too short. And Kelly's philosophy is, and always has been, life is meant to be enjoyed. And if you're not enjoying it, do something different. So, I would really appreciate if other guys who've tried this would post to this video and tell me if they liked it, and they liked it. Give some feedback in opposition to what I'm saying, or even post a video to this video. I'd be very happy about that because I don't want to be unfair to the tobacco, but not liking it, chums. Smoking out of my Sir Jacopo bent Dublin with a nicely plateaued top. Lovely pipe. My first real pipe, as I call it. Starting to rain here. That's pretty cool. Nothing like rain on a nice, fairly warm night. Anyway, I'd like to hear your opinions of it if you tried this tobacco. I don't have a good one of it. I'm gonna, not probably smoke anymore. I'm not gonna go through it a third time. Which is kind of a shame because it smokes so well. It burns well. I'm really enjoying the flakes these days. But it doesn't taste good. It leaves a nasty taste in my mouth too. Ugh.